Guys, this class I would like to tell you how to use a replace face. So in my scenario, I already created a kind of a little bit complex object here. So let's hit it replace face. So firstly, you need to select it a face. So for examples, if I select this circular face and then I selected this shade, so you could say this circular face is reflected, replaced by copy the same surface at the shade, right? Let's hit it apply. And then if I select this whole, the surface on the whole, and I selected this face, it can't do the replace face all the way go up to the surface. It only can do the surface up to the surrounding surface, right? Um, if I didn't do like that, if I just re-click the replace and this time I hit the surface as a whole and selected the face, I selected this face. You could say the result is the same as before if I hit the replace face at the shade place, right? Let's hit it apply. And next, we will try if the circular shape outside of the shades is it can do the replace face still. So let's select the circular surface and then I selected the up shades. It's very powerful. UG replay face could do in a lot of situations and it is really powerful tools that you could use to immediately copy another surface, right? In here, you could also do the offside. For example, I want to do a 5 offside. It can do 5 offside to this directions, or I could reverse the directions, right? Let's hit it apply. And also, this surface also can do the replace surface. For examples, I selected this surface and then I select this surface. You could say this surface is automatically kind of replaced by this surface extended face, right? It's very amazing result, surprised result. Let's hit it apply. And okay, this is a replaced face, right? Another thing I would like to tell you is if I drawing a rectangles on and trying to extrude it, this sketch and hit it apply. We need to change to now, hit it apply. And this time if you're going to move face, you could select it, the face you want to move. And I give a specific distance vectors as this directions, right? At this moment, I can give the distance I want to move this surface. For example, I want to move 10 millimeters. It could be along with this directions to extrude 10 millimeters and merged it with original body, right? I could also give the angles here. For example, I give a 30 degrees. So it can do a 30-degree rotation, 30-degree draft, right? I could also kind of tap negative 30 degree. It's going to reverse the directions, right? Let's just hit it apply. Okay guys, today about the replace face and moving face, we just finished here. If you have any question related with this kind of tools, just let me know by leaving some message below my video. And if you like my video, you just can subscribe to my channel. And this is a tutorial about UGNX for beginners. Okay, see you next class. Bye.